Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django. So in today's video, we are going to create home view. So in home view, we'll just fetch the employees data and display over there, nothing else. Okay, so first thing, I have made some mistake while creating the models. Okay, so here in the time zone, we will not write dot times or dot now, we will write instead equals to times or dot now in both the lines. Okay, now after making these changes, we will go to views.py. Now here we were just rendering this HTTP response and we were not returning our template. So first we will create the template folder. So here wherever the manage.py file is located, we'll need to create folder there. So I'll just create folder, set names templates. Okay. Now inside that I will create one more file which will be base.html. Now this base.html will contain all the code which would be similar in all the pages. For example, CSS files, all the headers and footers basically. Okay, so this is done. Now I'll create one more folder inside the templates which would be main. So this main folder will contain all the templates related to this main app. Okay, so this main app has home view. So I'll create home.html over here. So I'll say home.html. Right now, first let us construct the design. So here I will say HTML basic template, and here I'll create blog. Now what's blog? I have already explained that while creating blog project. Okay, in previous video series you can watch over there. Like blog is basically a container. So if you create a blog, let's say title. So whenever I write this blog title from over here, it will just replace all the content between those blocks to that particular tag. That's it. So I'll just explain that now, right? So here I will say block content. That's it. And now I will just go to the browser. Okay, over here I'll go to Bootstrap website. So I'll say get bootstrap.com, and from here I'll just grab the startup code. This one is the startup code, yeah. So I'll just paste that over here, cut this block, and I'll just replace it from this one to this one. I'll copy this one and I'll just remove this h1 tag and paste that over here. Now I'll just run the server. So I'll just say env. I need to activate my virtual environment. I'll say Python server. Now once the server is started, I'll just copy this link, go to this website, from over here, paste that one, enter. Now we are having this home page. Okay, now I'll just first do the settings of the templates, and then I'll just replace this line and render our template. Okay, now once this base.html is set up, okay, let me do one thing. I'll just make some spaces over here so you can just view properly. I'll also write a comment over here. I'll say bootstrap CSS, and here I'll say bootstrap script. Okay, that's it. Now I'll go to home. Now in order to use this base.html to this home page, we need to write extends. Okay, and I'll say base.html, right? Now I'll write block title. So if I write title as home page, and let me show the magic. I'll just erase this one and I'll say render. Now render takes two parameters, basically three, but two are very important. First is request, and the second is the templates location. So I'll say main slash home.html. Okay, that's it. Now save this one, go to this and refresh. Okay, block content, Patel content. Okay, come over here. Okay, two blocks are repeating, so I need to remove this old code. Yeah, that's it. Come over here, refresh, and you can see the home title over here. See this? Okay, now come over here. I'll create one more block. Sorry, block, and I'll say content. Okay, now here I can write h1 tag. Oh, come over here, refresh. You can see now the templates is rendering perfectly. Okay, so if you have not followed my previous video, I would just like to say that I am able to access templates from this directory because I have made changes in the settings of UI file. That's over here. I just need to write templates folder over here, and that's it. You are all set. Okay. Now, once this is done, we will now create the design. So here, I'm not going to create any nav bar, right? I'll just follow some grid settings of the Bootstrap. Okay. So here I'll just remove this one. And here I will say dev dot container. Okay, now inside this I'll say div, and here the class would be row. Okay, and inside this I will create one more div, and sorry, div dot call hyphen md hyphen maybe 8. Okay, and I will say main row, and the background for now it would be primary. I'll say bg hyphen primary. I'll just zoom a bit. Okay, I need to change the settings to zoom. Okay, now I will be able to zoom. Yeah, I hope now you can see the code properly. Okay, yeah. So once this is done, I mean, okay, in this video we are supposed to create view only. Sorry, my bad. Okay, now here I need to make migrations. Okay, so I basically deleted the code and patch the code from the GitHub, and I need to do the migrations command again. So you don't need to do it if you have followed already. I'll say python manage.py make migrations. Okay, and I'll say migrate. Okay, and then I need to create the super user, so I'll say create super user, and I'll say admin blank admin. Done. And run server. Cool. Now let's go to the website again, and here I'll say admin slash admin, and I will log in with the password. Okay, now here I need to create one entry, or let's keep it empty as of now. Okay, I'll just ignore this. You can just make this design. If I create the home design now, then the video will be very long. Okay, so I don't want to do that. Now very quickly here I'll just import from .models import employee underscore data. Now in order to fetch all the data, we need to create one variable. So I'll say all underscore emp equals to employee underscore data dot objects dot all, Now here I'll create context variable. Context equals to not variable dictionary, and here I will say all underscore emp. The key is all underscore emp, and the variable which we have created this one. Okay, that's it. Oops. Okay, now pass this variable over here. That's it. Now since we are not going to display all the data to the template, we can print in the shell. Okay, so here I'll say print all underscore emp, right? So if I go to website, okay, if I refresh, you can see the empty query set. Okay, so let's go to the website again, employee over here, and I'll create one employee over here. Say Yash Patel, salary would be 12,000. I'm just using some random data, and here it will be EMP100 Yash. Okay, save. Okay, the data has been created. So if I come over here and refresh, you can see employee underscore object one. So we are able to see, like, here we can see object one, object two. If you create one more data, then it would say object two and etc, etc. But we don't want that, right? So the setting for this I'll show in the next video. So yeah, in this video we have learned that how we can fetch data from the database. Okay, now if you want that the latest employee should be on the top, then you can just do dot order by, and here you can write minus emp created at. Okay, so go to models.py, just don't do any hard work, copy this variable, come over here, refresh, and you're good. So minus will basically print all the data in descending order. So Django basically follows ascending order, like old data would be on the top, new data would be the second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. But using this, it will print in descending order. So yeah, I hope you got the idea that how we can order the data according to the new post, latest post, okay, and how we can fetch the data from the database. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.